Hey guys, welcome back. For this video, I'm going to show you how to share focus mode status on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to focus. Then make sure that share across devices is turned on or enabled. Once you're done with that, here on the very bottom, you will see focus status. Just simply tap on that. And just enable it by turning on the switch button right here, just by tapping on it. And once that's done, you could either set what status you want to share. So let's say you just want to share chilling or do not disturb. So just simply turn off or disable any focus that is do not disturb. Or if you want do not disturb in work, just tap on work. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.